cockpits keep getting better.
Yeah. The cockpit smell.
Must be like communication.
How old is your house?
Let's read this right here.
I'm sure it would show it. Or say something. They ripped out seats.
Yeah, because we couldn't fit his casket in. I think they tried to bring it in right here.
Imagine being
And
I
think
didn't mean
that's
I
where they
just
ripped the
once.
seats out.
Where?
Right here. The flight crew of SAM 26,000 made room for President Kennedy's casket by removing this partition and the first 4 seats. They like ripped it out.
Okay, Mom. Maybe?
That's super awesome. The first 4 rows of seats are right there is where his casket was. It's awesome.